What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is B-Side Investing, and so today we'll just keep it short. We'll go through crypto side. We'll cover some of the our portfolio. We'll also look into maybe the news that's out there. Bitfarm has news, but it's not that significant. It's just an update, and yeah. So in terms of a portfolio, we're sitting at 47.62. So today was a really good day, at least on the better side. Now it says 47. I mean, it says minus 10, minus 8. I think it's not yet. Okay, now it's been updated. So I think tomorrow we'll actually see the actual up and down of our portfolio, but I don't think we're down minus 8. I think we're up today. I want to say like maybe 2-3%, because we were most of the companies we own here are up, so there's no reason for it to be down. Okay. And let's see. So, haven't bought anything yet today. So, just thinking of purchasing some more of DGHI soon, because it did fall below. It's at 133, and I bought it at 149. So I could lower my average down even more. So I'm gonna buy with the rest of the cash that I have, so it's about 61, yeah. So about $60 by that, and that's that. So Bitfarm says the news, they're up today. They are just reminding of an update for the AGM, so annual general meeting, and issuing addendum and previously filed information. Yeah, so the general meeting is on June 25, so that's on Friday, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and yeah, the URL, the password, and the meeting ID is right there, so you can just check that out if you want to get into it. Okay, so let's look into crypto, right? So Bitcoin currently is at 33.1. It didn't fold today too much. I don't think it did fall today. And then let's see here. Yeah, so 34. Okay, so 34 to 33. Yeah, okay, not much, but it's not a big drop like here. So at least we're at least near the 35K range, which is fine, which is good. But just know that this huge drop, it's gonna keep happening, because we might still be in the Wyckoff pattern. If you just look at the pattern, you see that up and down happening, and I think it's gonna be 2-3 months before we actually see Bitcoin just get out of 50 or 55K range and go past 60K. So it might be around September when that happens. So till September, I mean, I think now I could be wrong, just do your own research, but I think September, and then gotta hold what you have, or just keep buying on the ones that you like. So if you look at the watch list, I currently own Bitcoin, not that much. Ethereum, I'd like to add more into Ethereum. BNB, it's really cheap. It was at $600, so it's down like it's down around 60%. If you look at the 70, not 70, like at least a month. So most of the altcoins are currently down huge. Like Doge was taking a huge hit. You see Polkadot is down, Uniswap, everything is down pretty much. I don't think Matic is, it's still down. So if we go to like a month, we see what's really happening here. So Theta is still up for the month. That's good. T-Fuel is up. Now, I showed you guys this website tool a while ago, and it's a German website, looks like. but translated to English. So it looks like it's a Bitcoin month for sure. Now altcoin season will look like we're slowly getting out of altcoin season and out of the altcoin year metric right there. So yeah, right now it's getting out of the altcoin year, and if you look at the month, okay, let's just go down. So altcoin season, nope, because Bitcoin is doing kind of okay here in the past just past quarter. So is it altcoin month? No, because altcoins are just struggling like crazy compared to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is all the way down here at minus 12% for the month, for the last 30 days. And if you see comparable to Bitcoin, the only other coin that are doing, or projects that are doing better than Bitcoin, is Solana, Theta, Leo, AMP, and T-Fuel. T-Fuel is pretty much Theta. So, and we have BNB and the rest of the top altcoin just getting slaughtered. Like, look at this, minus 75, minus. Most of them are in the range of minus 30. Yeah, PancakeSwap, Ethereum is at minus 24. So definitely a Bitcoin month. But even though Bitcoin's not doing that good, it's just Bitcoin's doing better than altcoins. That's about it. So, yeah, like I said, it is going to be about, I want to say, till September before we actually see everything kind of recovering up. Now, I could be wrong, of course, just make sure you understand what you're getting yourself into. Yeah, so in terms of the coin, currently I think I'm down like minus 20% or so, minus 30. So if I have extra cash, I'm just going to keep buying the coins that I know are going to do really well. So like Cardano in the future is going to do really well. Let's see, Polkadot, I'm going to keep buying Solana, Chainlink, Matic, Theta, WeChain, PancakeSwap. So I'm currently doing the PancakeSwap AMM. I'm making some money out of that. Not that much, but on a yearly basis, I will pretty much be doubling my Pancake tokens. So yeah. Other than that, I think in terms of a portfolio, I think the performance did go down, but we did add more money. So sitting at a 26% gain. Yeah, our gains are kind of going down. But I assure you, my portfolio, my other brokerage account is doing pretty good compared to this one. Because this one's mainly into crypto. So if you look at the short-term gains, it's not going to look so hot. But if we keep holding it and keep dollar cost averaging it, I assure you we're going to do really well here too. So in terms of my other brokerage account, I own a lot of other stocks. So other stocks that are kind of like speculative and then also really, really good in terms of the long-term hold. I look at growth stocks. So I have GOED. I told you about GOED. It's doing really good today as well, 12%. Amazing. I think it's been on a climb for the past few days. Since I bought it at $2. Actually, I was thinking of buying on Monday when it was around 185, around here. And I got in at $2, and boom, it's just been climbing like crazy. The only reason why this thing is climbing, because it just makes sense, because this company is so undervalued compared to the competition. It's ridiculous. So the numbers alone, by that factor, people are just buying and just realizing how much more this company has to grow. So I think at least maybe in the next in a month or so, maybe it'll go up to like $6 or $7 in the next few weeks, I think, and then it might kind of like consolidate around there. And they also have good news of monthly transactions and like revenues like being really great. So that's also helping. So Nano Dimension, amazing company, boom. MP Materials, Go EV, I think I bought it at 9 something. I was just want to keep holding it though. So Census, we had a Census for a while. Like it was, I think, what was it? It's been a minute. We've had it since it dropped from 420s. It kept dropping. I went all the way down to 138, but then it just shot back up to like 2 something. Yeah, and then kept going down, and now it's up. So in the long term, I think this is gonna do really well. So Bitfarms, of course, Neo, Roblox hit 100, but then it just hit 103. It came down, but it should do fine. It's just the drop is because of the a decrease in I think user, because it's summer. So I mean, what do you expect? Can't expect everyone to just stay at home and just keep playing games. So that's fine. That's gonna normalize in a month or so, and then it should come back up. Argo, DMG, Hive, Immersion. So you get the idea. Anyways, I think that's it for this one. So, like I said, I mean, with the altcoins, we're gonna take up. We're gonna struggle for a bit. Just gonna keep lowering my average cost down with the coins that I like, and get some Ethereum. And yeah, always do your own research. Know what you're getting yourself into, right? I mean, don't just invest blindly because someone says like someone made a lot of money on whatever stock they bought. So yeah. Also in the comments, if you see some spam messages, don't buy Bitcoin from them. I'm never gonna like tell you to go like go to this guy to buy Bitcoin. No, I mean, I don't know if those scams even work. Like they just send like some Telegram messages or their contact for that Telegram account and just expect people to just fall for that. Like I don't get it. But anyways, hope you guys don't fall for those. Always go to like a solid company. Like if you want to buy Bitcoin or anything like that, go to Binance. Like I have the link in the description below. And if you want to get into Binance as a Canadian, if you want to deposit money into Binance, it's kind of expensive. So I use Newton, which I have the link in the description below, and also made a video on how to deposit money on Newton and also buy just buy any coins on Binance. Send money from the Newton wallet to the Bitcoin wallet. So Binance wallet, sorry. So yeah, you can check out the link, and if you like it, I think it's good. I think I like Newton. They also added some more coins in there, so definitely they're increasing their the number of coins they hold, and that's gonna bring them more customers for sure. So yeah. Anyways, hope you guys learned something at least, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.